Poisonous mushroom for hallucinogenic or a psychoactive mushroom. A mushroom is the fleshy spore-bearing fruiting body of a fungus typically produced above ground on a soil or its food sources. These are both edible and poisonous varieties. Less than 5% of all mushrooms are poisonous. Amanita muscaria. Death cap. That is the most poisonous mushroom in the world. Amanita muscaria, fly agaric, death cap. Large in size, grows singly in sandy soil, as a hollow stalk which is solid and bulbous at the base. Differentiating feature: there are no clear-cut and safe way to differentiate between poisonous and non-poisonous mushrooms. Some poisonous mushrooms, Amanita phalloides, usually have a bitter, astringent, salty, or acidic taste. If sectioned, the exposed area changes color: blue, green, or brown color develops on the cut surface. Mushroom poison has been recognized since ancient times. Roman King Claudius was poisoned with mushroom. Signs and symptoms: collectively known as phalloid syndrome, general cyanosis, pulse, slow bradycardia, respiration labored. Returned symptoms delayed for 6 to 12 hours: salivation, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, throat, sense of constrictions, stomach burning pain. There may be acute pseudo-obstructions and dilatation of the colon in the absence of any mechanical obstruction. Ogilvy syndrome. Neurotic symptoms: cramps, delirium, diplopia, dizziness, headache, pupil constricted, sweating, twitching of limbs, coma, convulsion, collapse, death. Hepatic and renal toxicity develops in 3 to 6 days in cases of survival. Fatal dose: 1 mushroom. Fatal period: 24 hours. Test: Meixner test. Meixner, MIM, Meixner mushroom. Sampled stool, gastric lavage plus methanol centrifuge filter. Add 2 drops of filtrate to a newspaper. Encircle the spot with a pencil and dry it. Add a drop of HCl to the dry spot. Blue color amatoxin present. Phallodotoxin do not give blue color. Management is stomach wash with potassium permanganate, activated charcoal, forced diuresis, hemodialysis, benzyl penicillium 3 to 10 lakh unit daily. Atropine sulfate antidote, anti-phalloidin antibody, cimetidine potent, cytochrome P450 system inhibitor, protect liver against alpha-amanitin, dose 4 to 6 gram per day. Iroid glycoside. There are a class of secondary metabolite found in a variety of plants and in animals, named after Iridomyrmex genus, which contains a defensive chemical iridomyrmecin. Ausubin, derived from the leaves of Aucuba japonica, found to be protective against Amanita phalloid. Kutkin is a mixture of iridoid, glycoside, picroside, and glucoside isolated from the roots of Picrosia, which is found to be protective against Amanita phalloid. Efficacy is superior even to silbinin. N-acetylcysteine, same dose as in paracetamol poisoning. Silbinin, a semi-purified fraction of silliamarin derived from milk thistle. Pyocetic acid, once thought to be useful in hepatic damage, but now late management. Acute liver failure asymptomatic. Postmortem findings: GI inflammation of the mucosa, heart, kidney fatty degeneration, kidneys may be pale and swollen, liver shows most characteristic findings as mushrooms are hepatotoxic, central lobe losonal necrosis, central lobular hemorrhage, fatty degeneration, and steatosis. Findings of hepatic failure: anasarca, pulmonary edema, scleral icterus, serous effusions are seen, brain congestion, and particular hemorrhages in serous membranes and in substance of brain, especially if neurological symptoms were present during life. Medico-legal importance: poisonous is usually accidental, rarely homicidal. Recycling of drug. Inhabitants of eastern Siberia ingest hallucinogenic mushroom and then collect their urine. The urine sometimes still warm, strung for a repeat drug effect. In this way, the user economies and action is renewed several times. Some modern users of vitamin do the same. Thank you.